Chapter 2 Family.
We all live in a family.
Father, mother, and children make a family.
Now, let us meet Rohan's family. Rohan lives with his father, mother, and elder sister. There are 4 members in his family. It is a small family. Rohan's pet dog, Moti, is a part of his family too. Rohan's father is Mr. Ajay Rai. His mother is Mrs. Deepa Rai. His sister is Paru Rai. So, can you tell what Rohan's surname is? Father and mother together are called parents. Our brothers and sisters are our siblings. Our joint family. Some family have parents, children, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins living together in the same house. Such a family is called a joint family. People living in a family are called family members. Family members are related to each other. They share joy, happiness, problems, and ideas with each other. We help each other and share work at home. Family provides us love and support. We have a lot of fun with our family. We should respect and love our family.
Let's recall.
Father, mother, and children staying together make a family. In a joint family, parents, children, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins live together. Members of family love and help each other.